Hi. Again with Bitcoin on the daily, we saw it got registered at that 44,500 mark exactly, and it made a fourth losing day uh, on the run after a very uh, positive looking Thursday, which it could not sustain above 44,000 and 5,000. Uh, 44,500 area. This has been our long-term uh, zones of importance. This is the resistance zone, and this is the bottom line support zone where the prices could bounce back. So we have been following this for a few days now, couple of weeks, and it has kind of given us a context of the market. Like yesterday, I we saw that 1 hour breakout happen in Bitcoin on the super trend, but we knew that this was one of the worst places to buy. Even if we had that super trend breakout at that moment, which now again rolled down, looks pretty bad uh, as uh, as things have changed. Anyway, uh, there are there is little we can do at the moment. Again, it's inside a trend, again inside, right at the middle point of the long term area, but there could be a 4 hour trade on this super trade confirmation with Fisher backing us. So long term, the Fisher is still bullish, which it turned in October, which is a long time. So all that time in between, it has only been looking for longs, and might have had uh, like protected us at scenarios that were not too good, mm, to short, which might have generated on the 1 hour time frame. Anyway, again, it's right at that middle, but at 43,000, you might be tempted. 43,100, you might be tempted to try a buy to get that 44,500 area once again. Mm, in other stuff on the early, it's still on the bearish side. There are supports lying across this area. If I can show you, so this is a very congested zone. It's entering at the moment. So, and from here to 40 to 800, it's a very congested zone, and it's not as per se that these are stronger levels of support, but there's a support nonetheless. Um, the key support, I think, it would be around 41,600, and 40,500 again below that, on Bitcoin. For the moment, it can turn again. Obviously, as I speak, it's a zigzag motion. It can turn again. No, uh, which should happen at 43,200 or 42,800. These are the levels we should be watching for next. On the Ethereum, it's a very interesting market, and we got a really nice trade yesterday. If we could have held it through the night, it would have generated much more returns. But yeah, anyway, it was very good on the short time frame as well. So the interesting fact is, on long term, while the Bitcoin chart doesn't show any signs of formation like this, we are seeing that in Ethereum. So long-term trend change on the Fisher part, market side change is a big concern, because that could go on for a longer period of time, which is in this case is since October, and going on still now till now, and it's only turning. But yeah, it did something like this here as well. Mm, but couldn't actually turn. So it had over the week, didn't actually close below. So that's something I also could keep in mind on, keep a keep a mind on, and follow very closely. So 2125 again remains the critical support on Ethereum below the belt, and 2340 on the upside remains a very important resistance going forward. So in any case, on the hourly chart, like I said, we got that Fisher was very bearish, and we got that super trend confirmation at when I started working yesterday, and I got in at my entry was I think 2250, uh, and it went to 2167 in the night. No, this morning actually. So during the late parts of the night, it really took pace, but I was not trading at the moment. At that moment, uh, and I closed out. Sorry, I closed out my trade around 21:25 when I saw this move happen after when during when I was leaving. So this was happening, and I thought, yeah, since there is no one is going to be watching this, there is no one going to be watching this. Yeah, we might as well take the profit we can. So we got a reasonable profit, I think. Yeah, 0.8% is not bad, which makes on the 20x around 15%. It's not bad, but on this we could have gotten like 3.5%, which is almost 70% with the 20x leverage. So that's a very pretty good trade on a pretty short time frame, which depends on not totally on technique. It also depends on the timing. So I think, yeah, that's sort of it. And Ethereum is going to follow Bitcoin to halt, and we will just have to see. We'll just have to follow the market and follow the strategy as best as we can, and make our own judgments as well, in situations like yesterday. Okay, thank you. Let's talk more, and we can understand the markets better. Thank you.